Welcome to the Burley Motorsports YouTube channel. So today we're going to be talking about doing another Burley Motorsports Syncro conversion. I'm sure you've seen a lot of our conversions out there in the world. So we're going to walk you step by step to a degree of how we do it. And you saw us driving in that beautiful blue van. That's what we're working on today. So we're going to show you the Burley Motorsports hand fabricated parts that we make. We've got it figured out so you don't really have to have a donor car. You need a transmission and a differential and a front subframe, a couple other pieces of the original Syncro. And the rest we fabricate here in the shop. We have a full-on fabrication shop, as most of you know. So we're going to show you the process for all you DIY guys and all my competitors that want to see how I do it. Well, now's your chance. Here we go. So if you look at the bottom of this one, you're going to see that it's a real treat because it's been dry ice blasted. Look how clean it is. Usually they're all totally greasy, 40 years of grease and grime. They're shot out, and it's, you need to put your coveralls and rubber gloves and everything else on, and maybe your hazmat suit. But anyway, this one is a real treat. Our customer is awesome. He had it dry ice blasted, as I said. So what we're going to do first thing is we're going to disconnect the battery, take the wheels off. We're going to take the spare tire carrier off in the front so we can access all of the steering stuff that we're going to cut off. All this will be cut off here, sway bar will be cut off. Basically, everything that's two-wheel drive gets either unbolted or cut off, thrown in the trash. Well, recycling bin, actually. So the fuel tank's in the way of the drive shaft for the Syncro, and we're going to drain the coolant, of course, because this one still has plastic coolant pipes. So we're going to put stainless steel coolant pipes on it. This one's getting all the SEMA Syncro parts and more. The customer wants it to be top shelf. He's came to the right place. We're going to do it. So at the end of this video, we will show you some of the parts that we're going to put on. This will be a series of videos. This is the first one. Probably do it in 4 or 5 episodes, but it'll be a progression deal so you can see what we did and how we did it. And we're not going to show you a bunch of boring stuff of us grinding on it and all that, because who wants to see that? Everybody knows what that looks like. You want to see progress. So that's what we're going to do. So that about does it for right now. We've driven it in, we got it on the rack. We're going to start draining fluids and get going on this, and then we'll show you the progress that we've made at the beginning of the next episode. We look forward to seeing you there. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe. Really appreciate it. It helps us out, and we do this because we enjoy it, and we're looking forward to it. Have a great day.